it's Tanya. Welcome back to Crafty Cards and Journals. What I have for you today is a paper crafting, scrapbooking haul, but a lot of this you will be able to use in your junk journals. I'm so excited to show you what I picked up. This scrapbooking haul is coming from Hobby Lobby, Five Below, and one thing from Amazon. I'm really excited to show you, like I said, what I found. And then I'll explain why I picked this up in a little bit. Okay, so the first place we'll go is Five Below, okay? And I found some of the cutest little things. Look at this. Is that not adorable? With all the little beads and the stars in there that's glitter. It's so cute. And it hangs. Okay, this was, it says Pink Bear. I can't remember. Let me see if I can look here on my receipt and see what it says. This was $4. Okay, I like how Five Below does it. All right, so that is the first thing. Then I picked up this little bacon charm. It's so cute. It looks like it's in a toaster. Is that not adorable? Some of these are actually marked. Okay, this was $4 as well. So sweet. You can find things on Amazon as well. And I'll link everything that I can find in the description box below if I can find similar items on Amazon. I do have affiliate links to Doodle Diaries, Journal Say, and the Washi Tape Shop. And some of those contain coupon codes. So if you're going to shop there anyway, I would appreciate it if you'd use my links. Okay. Then I found this fast food, and these are 3D erasers. I'm hoping I'll be able to use this for what I want. I ordered something else and from Etsy, and it isn't here yet. So as soon as it comes, I'll show you what I'm going to do. It has the mini cola, the pizza, the hot dog, the hamburger, and the fries. I think that's adorable. And this was, let me see how much this was. This was $1. I think that's a great value for $1, okay? Then I found these like strawberry shortcake stickers. You get 250 stickers. Look how cute these are. These have like actually some glitter on them. These are different with no glitter. And look at this. I cannot wait to start doing what I want to do. And then it kind of just repeats until when you get back here, it gets a little different. But you can see this is adorable. All right. Then I got one strawberry shortcake decal. And how much was that? $3. I think that's a bit much, but I wanted it, so I got it. Okay. Then I got these Lotso playing cards. These were $4. You get a set of them. And it is the Toy Story one, okay? And this is what they look like inside. Let's open this, if I can open them without totally destroying my nails, which are not in the greatest shape. All right, but I love it because they come in this tin. I thought that was adorable. No, see, these were on sale. These playing cards were $3, okay? So, I like that. But look at this. When you open it up, they're like this. Let me just get scissors. And then the bear is on the back. And then here's the Joker. And then look at these adorable cards. I love it. That would even work with strawberry shortcake. So in a minute, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I think you've probably already figured it out. But I love that tin. Is that not pretty? Okay. All right, that's all I got at Five Below. Let me do Amazon. It's one thing. I got these silicone clear stamps. They just have like the typewriter font. I definitely can link these, but they're just individual little stamps, like I said, that look like a typewriter font. I think that's going to be adorable. Like a keys to a typewriter, actually. Okay, now we'll go to Hobby Lobby. Okay, Hobby Lobby's beads were 50% 50% off. They were 40 or 50, but the beads were 50%. I'm almost positive. They were. So I got these alphabet beads, and they were originally $4.99, but 50% off. I'm going to have so much fun with this. Then I got the white ones that are alphabet. These are 160 pieces, and that just says 2.01 ounces, okay? But these were $4.99. All the beads, like I said, were 50% off, but these are in a heart shape. Then I picked these up. Look at these really pretty acrylic flower beads. 2.12 ounces, $4.49. So beautiful. Then I picked up some pony beads, $4.99. I love these vibrant colors. I love vibrant colors. Then I picked up this Silly Winks foam board. It was 99 cents. It's not really a board. It's just the thin foam. All right, then check out this ribbon. Their ribbon was 40% off. So this was $2.49. And I got, you get 5 yards of this. Is that not beautiful ribbon? I loved it. Then I picked this up. Has little pom-poms on the edge. And then that check. I'm obsessed. Then check out these pom-poms. Let's see. Oh, look how beautiful those are. I wanted the multicolor. I love vibrant, pretty things. I just do. I think you need a lot of color in your life, okay? So I picked this up. Then I picked up these beautiful red pom-poms. They're just solid red. You get 2 yards of that, $3.49. And these were $3.99, the multicolored. But like I said, on sale. Check out this, the daisies. I love them. 2 yards of that, $7.49. It was a little more expensive, but when you consider it's like 40% off, it brought it down very affordable. And I don't think I'm going to use that much. Then I saw this. Look at this. It just says, it's all leading to something happy, peace sign, smiley faces, vibe, love. Just perfect. I love it. So, and that even has a pretzel on it. So I picked that up. Then I wanted some rickrack. So I got this pink rickrack. Oh, in case I didn't say, this was $3.49. The pink rickrack was $2.49. You get 3 yards, but I love it. Then I picked up red rickrack, and that was $2.49, and you get 3 yards. Then check out the strawberry. That is going to be so cute. I can't even stand it. I love the strawberries, and then that pink check background. Perfect. It was $3.49. I'm so glad that I went in there when it was on sale. You get 5 yards. Then I picked up this hot pink pom-pom. And it was $3.99. You get 2 yards. I wanted a softer pink, but I already kind of have it in this. So, but I love it. It's perfect for what I want to do. All right, that's everything I picked up from Amazon, Hobby Lobby, and Five Below. Now, let me tell you what I'm exactly going to be doing. I'm still going to be keeping my channel the same way it is. Your creative journals, creative art journals, scripture journal. I love doing the listing in my art journal. Love that. And I'm still going to be doing my reading journal. But my reading, I can't read as much because I have way too much going on. So, and that, my reading journal was usually every Friday. So this is going to fill in when I don't have a book to put up. Like I said, the reading journals aren't going anywhere. So if you love that, they're staying here. But what I want to start doing, you may know my roots are in junk journaling and making journals, okay? So I want to start altering little golden books and also just books. I'm so excited to do this. I cannot wait to show you what I'm going to do. You can, like I've said in the past, you can take packaging and make journals out of that. We're going to be doing that. So on Fridays when I don't have a book to put up, that's what you can expect, and that's what this haul is all about. If you enjoyed this junk journal haul, scrapbooking haul, whatever you want to call it, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. It's really important if you give this video a thumbs up. It pushes it into the algorithm and lets more people see it, because YouTube says, hey, that's an important video, a good video. So until next time, stay crafty.